Roof damage can threaten the health and safety of your home. The longer you allow these issues to persist, the worse they become. That's why knowing the common signs you need roof repairs in Kennedale, Texas is essential. At First Texas Roofing, we care about your home and want to ensure you're safe and sound. So here are some common issues to look for. Most residents don't look up at their roofs, but if they did, they might notice cracked shingles, gaps, or sagging roof lines. These issues indicate problems that require repairs or a possible replacement. Further up on your roof, you might see damage to your flashing or ventilation. These issues allow water to get into your house and provide the perfect environment for mold growth. Water stains on your ceiling are another giveaway you have roof damage. It might not seem like a big issue, but allowing the water to remain can cause structural damage and health threats. Finally, look for tiny granules when cleaning your gutters. These particles protect your shingles from harmful UV rays, preventing the deterioration of your roofing materials. At First Texas Roofing, we pay close attention to the details of every roof, ensuring we discover and address all problems. We provide honest assessments and quotes, working hard to guarantee you have a beautiful and protective roof. If you notice any of these problems on your Kennedale, Texas roof, the best roof repair company at First Texas Roofing has the answer. Call us today to get started.